Tips for Ramadan, preparing for a special guest. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. Ramadan is just around the corner, and as we prepare for this holy month, we want to share some tips with you on how to prepare for Ramadan. If you're new to fasting or want to make the most out of this blessed month, then keep watching. Fasting during the holy month of Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ mentioned, "Whoever observes fast during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hopes to attain Allah's rewards, then all his past sins will be forgiven." With that being said, let's get started. Tip number 1, start preparing early. Ramadan is a month-long observance, and it's important to start eating healthy foods, make dua, and reflect upon the Quran. Give yourself enough time to adjust to the changes in your routine. Tip number 2, set goals. Setting goals for Ramadan will help you focus and make the most of this month. These can be spiritual, physical, or mental goals. Tip number 3, eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet a few weeks before Ramadan will help prepare your body for the fasting period. Eat more whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, and reduce your intake of sugary and processed foods. Tip number 4, plan your meals. Planning your meals for Ramadan in advance will make it easier for you to shop for groceries and prepare food during the month. Tip number 5, prepare your home. Decorating your home for Ramadan can create a peaceful and beautiful environment for prayer and reflection. Tip number 6, manage your time. Managing your time effectively during Ramadan will help you make the most of your days. Make a schedule that includes time for prayer, work, rest, and family activities. Tip number 7, practice fasting. Try to practice fasting a few days before Ramadan to get your body used to the fasting routine. Tip number 8, prioritize hydration. Drinking plenty of water during the non-fasting hours will help you keep hydrated and detoxify the body. Tip number 9, exercise. Engaging in light exercise or physical activity during the non-fasting hours will help keep your body active and energized. Tip number 10, manage sleep. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule during Ramadan will help you avoid fatigue and tiredness throughout the day. Tip number 11, be mindful of your mental health. Engaging in activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as meditation, will help you manage your mental health during Ramadan. And last but not least, tip number 12, stay positive. Throughout the month of Ramadan, be sure to keep a peaceful, positive, and uplifting attitude. And there you have it, some tips on how to prepare for Ramadan. We hope you found these tips helpful. And remember, Ramadan is a time for spiritual growth, self-reflection, and self-discipline. By preparing early and setting goals, you can make the most of this holy month. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below what you're doing to prepare for Ramadan this year. We'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan mubarak.